Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable Siri on your iPhone. Siri is your personal voice assistant, making it easy to send messages, set reminders, or get answers, all hands-free. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Siri and search. Next, you'll see several options to enable Siri. Start by toggling on or Start by toggling on Listen for Hey Siri if you want to activate Siri with your voice. Follow the on-screen prompts to train Siri to recognize your voice for better accuracy. If you'd like to activate Siri using a button, turn on Press Side button for Siri. For older iPhones with Home button, this option will say Press Home for Siri instead. You can also customize Siri's voice and language by selecting Siri Voice and Language in the same menu. Finally, make sure Allow Siri when locked is turned on so you can use Siri without unlocking your phone. And that's it. Siri is now enabled on your iPhone, ready to assist you whenever you need it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.